Hey everyone! Today we're going to take a closer look at one of the most interesting mid-premium smartphones released this year, the brand new Realme 16 Pro Plus. This phone is packed with some seriously impressive features for its price range. We're talking about a 200-megapixel flagship-level camera, a massive 7,000 mAh battery, a smooth 144Hz AMOLED display, and the powerful Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor. Realme is clearly trying to push the boundaries of what a mid-range smartphone can offer. But the real question is the Realme 16 Pro Plus actually worth buying in 2026? In this video, we'll go through everything you need to know: the design, display, performance, cameras, battery life, and the special features that make this phone stand out. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the Realme 16 Pro Plus. Starting with the design, the Realme 16 Pro Plus looks surprisingly premium. The phone features what Realme calls an urban wild design, developed in collaboration with renowned designer Naoto Fukasawa. The back panel comes with elegant textures and premium materials, giving it a flagship-like appearance. Even more impressive, the phone is IP66, IP68, and IP69 rated, meaning it's resistant to dust, water, and even high-pressure water jets. That level of durability is something you usually see only on expensive flagship phones. Despite packing a huge battery, the phone still maintains a slim profile at around 8.1 millimeters thick and weighs roughly 198 grams, which feels comfortable in the hand. Moving on to the display, this is one of the highlights of the Realme 16 Pro Plus. The phone features a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate, delivering incredibly smooth animations and scrolling. The resolution is FHD+ at 1280 by 2800 pixels, which provides sharp visuals whether you're watching videos, gaming, or browsing social media. It also supports 10-bit color and HDR content, making the colors look vibrant and immersive. For brightness, the display can reach up to 1800 nits in high brightness mode, so visibility outdoors is excellent. Overall, this is definitely one of the best displays you can find in a mid-premium smartphone. Now, let's talk about performance. The Realme 16 Pro Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor, built on a 4-nanometer architecture. This chipset is designed to deliver excellent performance for everyday tasks, gaming, and multitasking. The phone is available with 8 GB or 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 128 GB or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which ensures fast app loading and smooth multitasking. Combined with Realme UI based on Android 16, the software experience feels smooth and responsive. For most users, this performance level is more than enough for gaming, video editing, and heavy multitasking. Now, let's talk about the camera, and this is where the Realme 16 Pro Plus really shines. The phone features a 200-megapixel main camera using Samsung's HP5 sensor, delivering incredibly detailed photos. In addition, there's a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with up to 3.5 times optical zoom, allowing you to capture sharp portraits and distant subjects. There's also an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera for landscape and group shots. For selfies, the phone packs a 50-megapixel front camera capable of recording 4K video, which is perfect for vloggers and content creators. Realme also includes several AI photography tools, such as AI editing features, portrait enhancements, and night photography improvements. Another major highlight of this phone is the battery. The Realme 16 Pro Plus comes with a massive 7,000 mAh battery, which is significantly larger than most smartphones today. This means you can easily get 1 to 2 days of battery life depending on your usage. It also supports 80-watt ultra-fast charging, allowing the phone to recharge quickly when needed. Realme uses silicon-carbon battery technology, which helps pack more capacity without making the phone too thick. So, is the Realme 16 Pro Plus worth buying? If you're looking for a smartphone with a powerful camera, massive battery, smooth display, and solid performance, the Realme 16 Pro Plus is definitely one of the best options in the mid-premium category. It combines flagship-level camera hardware with long battery life and modern design. For many users in 2026, this could easily be the perfect balance between price and performance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.